Hi traders, today is 30th of August 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market CLV9 October 2019 contract. So as you can see, we just entering the US session. Time now for New York is 9:01 a.m. in the morning, and we are searching for an entry, and we are not yet received the signal. So as you can see, there is a good strong bearish movement during London session just now. So did manage as well to take profit somewhere here. This was a good trade. So you can take a look on my Telegram channel. There's a link in the description below, and this is the London session signal to short sell at 5613, then earn around 37 ticks in profit. Okay, this one got no video. London session, normally I don't take any video because it took a longer time compared to US session. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share and comment below. And also there's a link for my live broadcast signal for day trading crude oil market US session scalping target around 250 to 400 US dollar profit per day. Now let's take a look on the volume. It looks like there's a high volume waiting at 5660. It's a one here, 5670. Is this kind of situation is quite good, which might provide us a good buy signal. So I'm expecting for the market to have a full reversal, or by the way, this is time frame 15 minutes, and this is how I do day trading based on my setup of hidden volume, and I'm expecting a buy entry maybe in next few minutes, targeting around within 20 minutes time. So time now is 9:03 a.m. in the morning New York time, and looks okay. It's a quite strong bullish during the opening, and there's no reversal as well during this time. So I'm expecting for the flat then further up. So let's wait patiently for the signal to be appear from my setup, and while waiting, better wait. As expected, just now the market go to 5660. So as you can see, this large volume waiting here. Market should already hit the volume, and the next high is 5670, and we will wait. Hopefully the price reverse back to give us an opportunity to go into the market. As mentioned before, the market make a sideways movement. I did then further up. Okay, this one is still waiting for the signal to appear for US session day trading scalping. This one we are entering 10 a.m. New York time, and it has been 1 hour waiting for the signal from my setup to appear for based on the hidden volume. And let's hope there's a maybe buying signal somewhere here, or maybe a breakout. There's a further breakout somewhere here, so there's a 3 chance, and let's wait patiently for a good entry point. Okay guys, we just received a buy signal at 5614, sorry, 5643, which is this area, and the nearest breakout is here, the first one, and this is the second one. So we are expecting a good bullish price movement in any minutes from now. So let me enlarge this candle. looks good. We are 10 ticks away from our entry. Okay, this is where I will queue my position for buy stop limit order, and I'm expecting for the market to go for the high. And I also providing the same signal on my channel to buy at 56.43 buy stop limit order, and expecting TP at 56.60 or more. Okay, but we try to be conservative and we will exit at 56.60 and with a risk of 15 ticks. So by the way, this live broadcast been, you can join in by clicking the link below, and also there's a free trial during the time. Feel free to click on it. So no credit card required, just free everything, so no commitment. You just go in, take the signal, and if you like it, just stay with me. If not, then up to you. Like and share this channel as well. So we're still waiting for the market to have a big move to the upper side, and hope we can capture it live during this video. Still the enter here. Maybe I try to exit early, or there's a high volume as well at 56.70. I'm still expecting for the market to have the high volume at this area. So that's it. This is very interesting. The market keep dropping very fast. Something's happened. I'm not sure. Hopefully not Trump tweeting. I'm expecting for buy. I'm still queuing at this area. Now the price go further down. As you can see, let me make it zoom out a bit. It's pretty good if the market to climb up, because this is quite low for a retracement or pullback. So market will go further down. So I'm still expecting for major pullback to the downside. So let's find the signal and confirmation. Okay guys, to the market reverse. Oh, excuse me. Okay guys, after the market reverse, we now searching for a short sell position. I did find one small short sell position, and we are going to short the market at 55.06. So at this moment negative, since the market already dropped a lot, but still expecting for it to finish the last cycle it, and now it's minus 20, minus 2 ticks. So let's take a look on the volume. There's still high volume waiting at 55.00, which is around 135. This is also another interesting price level waiting down there at 54.80. So I will exit the market at 54.83. So I just took one lot at 83 by limit order. I'm a short sell position. This one was a very long and big candle, you can see here. So hopefully the market will go a bit slightly more, so we can scalp this section. So I'm expecting around 17 plus 6, around 23 ticks for tonight. So let's wait. It's going to take some time. As well, in my Telegram channel, I also provide the signal for a short sell position just now. I already feel at 55.06, and the TP is 54.83. We're still in a minus at this moment. 120, 110, 120 US dollar negative. Still waiting. There's a spike in the volume waiting at 55.00. This is where I queue my profit target. Oh, but still there is a last swing for the bearish movement. Actually, we missed this breakout somewhere here just now. We missed it on the larger time frame. Still waiting. I also queue one more position if the price drop back further down. I have enlarged the screen so you can see the chart better. Time now is 10:42 a.m. New York time. Still is room for the last round of bearish movement here, down here. Now suddenly the market slow. There's a small reversal to the upper side. Still expecting for the market to go the last bearish movement. It's quite impossible to have a major pullback. Minor pullback is looks okay. It should be the last round, so I will take profit somewhere here, hopefully. So let's wait and see. Still noble, still negative. 210 in losses, but not yet realized. Still open the position. Looks good at this moment. We are back, and I'm entering another lot position size at 55. I re-enter again into the market. It's good. Okay, we are now in positive territory. I'm entering the second lot position, slightly below the one I entered just now. So the first one losses. That's good. Let me enlarge the chart. Oh, the price will go further down. I will exit the market if it's just about 84 or 86. Should be nice one. Looks great at this moment, so I'm expecting for the quick trade to the downside. So I will keep this video live recorded this trade. Hopefully can capture live but how the price move towards my TP area. At this moment we are about 130 in profit, 130 US dollar in profit, so I'm expecting around 400. Okay, looks good. We are reaching 230. This will be the last cycle for the bearish. 250, 270. Nearing my TP area, which is targeted at 54.85, about 5 ticks more, and 54.83. This a profit taking activity. Okay, there's a very high. I'm now missing out. Also, there is a high Q waiting at 54.80. That should be the scalper taking profit, I guess. Need to be more careful. The price return back. Oh man. Now break even. Okay. This looks good. So I need to be careful. This moment we are minus 70. Keep climbing up. Back to the positive area. Plus 30, plus 10, minus 10. Okay, it's quite a tough one. need to be prepared if the market reverse back. I should take profit somewhere here. We are back to the positive side, so in the few seconds will enter another new candle. Okay, now we are entering a new candle. So I've reduced my stop limit, which is here. If the price return back to the like red area, hopefully this candle is a red one. Let's hope everything's okay. The first few minutes is quite crucial because we were entering 11 a.m. New York time, and now we are 90 US dollar in profit, 110. Looks green. It's quite clear now. If the market reverses back, I will exit at the break even. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Few more ticks. Please don't reverse back. Shit. 250, 270 in profit. So let's focus on the profit over here. Okay, we exit the market. Already exit the market, and both my position already exit the market with the spike just now. The market will keep for another run downwards, now getting faster. So today 390 US dollar in profit from US session. This took some time actually. Yeah, 390 US dollar in profit. So let's take a look on the activity log, how long it took us to be in the market. So we did enter our position at around the second one, the first one, the second one. Okay, the second one at 10:54, and then exit the market at 11:01. So it should be around 7 minutes for 390 US dollar. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a link there's a link below in description for you guys to go to get the live broadcast from my trading channel, Tradigram, which I broadcast all my live signal over here. So for example, just now re-enter again for the same position during the US session. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.